Part 11. Laser welding pass cleaning operation. Laser cleaning, weld pass cleaning, cutting no need laser welding wire. Firstly, we remove the laser welding wire. Laser weld pass cleaning need change this copper nozzle model FS16. The dial tube is used to adjust the focal length. Make sure the red light in the middle position. Setting the cleaning parameter, scan speed, 1000. Width, 6, that's the limit value. Power could setting smaller value, 300 W. Let's compare the effective of welding pass cleaning. You could see the different